cleaning it. I'm cleaning the, see all the deposits that are on it? And this whirly doodle cleans it right off. So Miss Shirley couldn't get it started on the hose wouldn't get started on there anymore. Because it had so much of that hard water deposit on it. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it off the back, that's the only thing. Hers was a little further away, but I might still be able to get it. Oh, what how do you, is that tightening? No, it's not. What am I doing? There it is. All right, so I wouldn't say that's any easier, but we're coming off with this guy. Mama told me not to come. Oh God, what happened? Meow, meow. Oh. What in Phillips? Oh, and that. Okay. Oh. What? I need that screwdriver.